Hey, how you guys doing? Today we're looking at the FT011 racing boat. It does use a LiPo battery, a 30C, and we got a 2200 milliamp battery. Here's inside the hull. Here's the prop. The prop is nice, and I love how they did the cooling on the back of the prop there. It's nice for the cooling. But yeah, it's a very fast boat. So let's take her out in the water and see how she does. Alright, so here is the FT011 boat. I'm just starting her off right now, but we're going to pick it up some speed. It's hard to keep the boat in the frame. It's so fast, but you can see the boat it can handle sharp turns. I mean, it is a very powerful boat. For any kind of size lake, even like a big lake like this, you have no problems driving in, scaring some birds, or just having fun. But yeah, that's my review of this FT11 boat. Even its sister, the smaller FT12, is a really fast boat. But yeah, check it out. I'll just keep driving here and you can